In this very section, you're going to need two different things. That is going to be your GPT and Claude. So over here on the screen is actually GPT on the web, and I have Claude right in here. So I love using the desktop version. So if you feel like you want to use the web version, it's all a choice. So I'm using the desktop version, the pro version, but you don't need the pro version. For the sake of the people that wouldn't have money to pay for the pro version, so you can actually use the free version, and I'm not going to use co-work. Instead, I'm going to use chat so that we can both use chat together. So I'm going to actually open a new chat right in here. So before we actually come back to Claude, let us go to GPT and create a fresh data that we don't have before. Then that will definitely teach you how to actually, create dashboards or pre-create a dashboard before you actually create your main dashboard. Let me show you. So let us go to GPT here. So instead of me to actually type in my prompt, I am going to rather record it and it will be transcribed for me. That is all. So let me do that. Generate a simple data for me that is actually related to coffee store, and make sure the data is not 100% clean, and give me all the columns that needs to be clean, in the data in a different page. So this particular data should have 10,000 rows, and add all the relevant columns inside it. I don't want a flat table. I want to actually have trend in the analysis. So make sure every day transaction has different variation is very, very important. And let us mimic a data collected from the UK. So make sure this particular data is related to the kind of data generated from the UK. So for the location, I want to see real location. For the customers, I want to see real customer name. For the products, I want to see real products. So make sure this particular data mimic real life data. So go ahead and actually generate for me. This is what you can do to generate data in GPT. You can actually use the free version to actually get this done as well. So I have to run it. I have just run this particular prompt right now. So it is going to go ahead and actually generate our one table data for us. So once it is done, the next thing we have to do is to actually start analyzing this data using AI. So in either Excel and Power BI, I'm going to show you the both of them and see which one would then definitely, give you what you really want. As you can see, our data has been generated for us, and we asked for one single table, and GPT went and created multiple tables. So how do you download? You click over here to download.